everybody, my name is Crazy, and today we're going to be showing you how to make lighting in Blender. And first up, we're going to be showing you the basics. So press S to scale, SY to scale on the Y-axis, SX to scale on the X-axis, SZ to scale on the Z-axis, R to rotate, R to rotate, just literally rotate, Y to rotate on the Y-axis, and RX and RZ to rotate on those axes. G to move, Y to move on the Y-axis, GX, yeah, you understand. GZ to move on the Z-axis. Yep. Tab to go in edit mode, hold Shift to select more things, middle mouse wheel to look around, Shift A to spawn stuff in, Shift E to duplicate stuff, X to delete, also you just compress press delete. Okay, anyways, delete this, Shift A, we're trying to animate lighting, so yeah, boom, and then just select these things with holding Shift and delete the vertices. Then just add a bunch of vertices. Just add a bunch of vertices. Just add like a bunch by pressing E and bringing it up. And you'll be wondering why. Well, once I was trying to make a cool sword with lightning, and I spent literally like more than half of the time making that sword was on how to make the lightning. So yeah, I'm showing you how to make basically lightning, so you don't have to. And well, anyways, click down here, click new, and now image clouds. Now set this to 1. Then give it a displace modifier from the little wrench tab. Now you can see it's the plane. And give it Z and then 2.5. Then you could Shift D the multiplier, so it duplicates. Then you could just give it all the axes. It should also have the cloud texture. Give it the cloud texture, don't forget that. And you're gonna see, oh wow, that doesn't really look like lightning. Doesn't matter, give it a skin modifier. Now, you're gonna wanna press Control, O, Control, S. What, I think, Control, Control, no, Control. Okay, once you have it selected, I'm getting annoyed. Nope. Okay, Control A. Make sure this is zoomed out by using your mouse wheel. Boom. Then you get lightning. And then you could then you could just, I don't know, apply all these. Did I not apply that? Boom. Then you have like little basic lightning. Then if you want, you can make it literally glow. Like give it blue or something, then like just set this up. Then it literally glows. You can see it's glowing. It's glowing. It's literally glowing. Or you can literally make it so bright you die. And if you set this to cycles, boom. Then if you want, you could give this right here and give it like a, I think, let's see, no. I think it was, yeah, this one. and give him a displace. The little plane down here. Flip. No, that's not the right one. I think... No, let's see. I think it was wood. Give this guy the wood. Oh yeah, make sure to subdivide. Now, why? Not wires. No. Just boom. Then you could add another one, make it like a Uzi. No, I mean an X. Never mind, it wasn't wood, but let's see. I think it was marble. It was marble. It's marble. Just set the strength up a bit. Give it the marble texture. Then boom, and also give it the just add brown texture just because dirt and stuff, I guess. And look at that. Little basic lightning. It's little lightning. It's little nice lightning. Anyways, if you all enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like. No, not yet. We're not done yet. Circle. Spawn in circle. Duplicate circle. And boom. Cloud. And then maybe add a different cloud. And then add another one. And then more lightning. Then more lightning. Boom. That's how it's done. Anyways, if you all enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. My name's Brucey. See you next time.